Welcome to THG Week Rewind, episode 13. Let's rewind the week. Last week, Kiran Rao's Laapataa Ladies was selected as India's official entry for the 2025 Oscars. Chosen from 29 films by a 13-member committee, the film grossed 27.06 crores worldwide. Tamil Nadu Governor E.N. Ravi sparked controversy after he said secularism is a European concept and not needed in India. Opposition parties sharply criticized his statements, said Indian secularism respects all religions, traditions and cultures. After France and the US, the UK too backs India's permanent membership at the United Nations Security Council. Presently, the UNSC has 5 permanent members that are the US, UK, Russia, China and France. India can soon be the 6th. According to a report, Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman told US Secretary of State Antony Blinken he doesn't personally care about the Palestinian issue. The remark was made during January talks in Al Ula amidst US-led negotiations for Saudi-Israel relations. Last week, in a 2-hour-long podcast with Sushant Sinha, Jamiatul Ulema-e-Hind Chief Maulana Mahmood Madani urged the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act. When it was introduced, the CAA was protested against for months by the Indian Muslims nationwide. Madani also criticized the Awaisi brothers for their divisive politics. His comments drew sharp criticism from Muslims across the country. Hezbollah leader Nasrallah was killed in an Israeli airstrike in a densely populated area in Lebanon's Beirut. After Gaza, Israel targeted Lebanon and launched massive airstrikes that killed 1,000 people and left thousands injured. That's it for today. Follow for more.